Hi everyone, I'm Sasha from The Big Bakes, and today I will show you how to make semifredda or homemade ice cream from just 3 ingredients. You need eggs, double cream, sugar, and you also can have flavorings if you want. To make this, the easiest way to do it, I just crack some eggs. And then I will catch my egg yolks from the egg whites and put it in a bowl that I will use to mix my egg yolks with sugar. So now we have separated yolks and whites. Whites should be clean like this. You don't want any yolk in your whites, otherwise you will not be able to whip it airy enough to have a good semifredda. So now I will put my egg whites in the mixer and I will start mixing it with a whisk attachment on a maximum speed. While your egg whites are mixing, you can also take your yolks and pour half of your sugar in your egg yolks, just by eye, half, and leave another half for your egg whites. When your egg yolks looks a little bit pale like this already, you can now add your flavoring. When your egg white a little bit foamy like this, you can start adding slowly the remaining sugar. So I just put a little bit, like a couple of teaspoons, and I will keep mixing on a high speed. And the meringue should look like this. So it's holding the shape. This is how it should look like. And your egg yolks looks pale and fluffy. We'll combine these two together. You can put some egg whites in here. It's very important, this part, you want to keep all the air inside your mixture, otherwise your ice cream will be a little bit flat. When you combine your egg yolk with a little bit of egg white, you can put everything back to the bowl with the egg white. While you're folding this mixture, you can also start whipping your cream if you have a standing mixer. If you do a hand electric mixer, then you can do it later. So now we combine our egg whites and egg yolks, and it looks like this, quite even texture, you don't see any lumps, and it's still airy and holding the shape. So now we will be waiting when our cream will be whipped, and then we'll combine this with the cream. And now we'll combine this cream, these egg whites and egg yolk. 1 spoon first. So we keep mixing gently. Remember, all the air should be inside. When you mix everything, you still have a lot of lumps. So to deal with lumps, we will need again our hand whisk. You can do the same. But now you will need to be very gentle. You don't want to mix it inside, otherwise your ice cream will become flat. So what we can do is just take our mixture and shake. Take our mixture and shake. Nice. Because this is the last chance to add more flavor if you want, or to add any additional things. If you don't have flavors at home, you can just use cinnamon or any other spices. You can just swirl it with a jam or curd as well, or you can just leave it plain. So I think we are good now. I see no lumps. And now you can just put it in a container. I will use a little bucket like this. So now you don't want to do any bumps or anything like this. You just close and put it in the freezer for 8 hours or overnight. Okay, it's time to try our semifreddo. It's ready, so you can keep it in the freezer overnight or just for 8 hours maybe, and then you can take a spoon. I don't have a particularly ice cream spoon, so I just use a round spoon and hot water to put my semifreddo in the cup. Use a syrup or fresh berries to garnish it with some raspberries. So here is your homemade ice cream.